You're in luck. This week is shooting. So why do I have beef on there for shooting? Well, that's a great question. It's not because I have a hankering for a cheeseburger or anything like that. It's because it actually stands for something. Whoa, look at that. It stands for balance. Alright, so you want to be balanced when you shoot. Eyes, you want your eyes looking at the hoop. Elbow, you want your elbow 90 degrees, and then you want to follow through. So let's take a look at a good example of someone having good beef. You obviously knew where I was going with this. So Stephen Curry, he has good beef. Watch. He's balanced, his eyes are towards the hoop, and he's always following through. And as you can see, he makes just about every single shot. So the key for the exit slip is the most important thing out of all the brief principles is that you really need all the brief principles. You need to be balanced. You need your eyes looking at the hoop. You need your elbow at 90 degrees for consistency, and you need to follow through. Alright, so the question for the exit slip, what's the most important principle of beef? They're all equally important. Trick question. I know. So what we're going to be doing is a drill, a little bit of competition. There's going to be 4 courts, and everyone's going to be set up at the same spots. So we're going to be shooting from 5 spots. The first spot is going to be right about in this area. There's going to be lines, so you'll be able to see it. I'll point it out when we get to class. Alright, so this is going to be spot 1. Spot 2, elbow. There's going to also be identifying marks on the art court, so don't worry about exactly where. I'll point them out. Spot 3, alright, identifying marks, don't worry about it. Spot 4 and spot 5. And all we're going to be doing is seeing who can make 10 shots from each spot the fastest. And we'll eventually switch the spots. So this works on our shooting. We're going to work on our beef. After that, we'll get into low post moves. We're going to let this excellent coach with this twangy music explain some low post moves and what you should be doing in the low post.
Okay, so let's start with your setup location. For the low post, you should always locate yourself above the block. This will give you the room you need to be able to take the ball to the baseline side. Any lower and you're shut off that option because you'll be behind the backboard. So a good rule is to aim for the spot between the block and the first peg. For your positioning, you want to start with a stable stance and a wide base. Keep your butt down and your back straight and your arms up and extended. Get those hands up so the passer can see you. Typically, the defender is going to play you in one of 3 ways. They'll either play behind you, play on your high side, or they will front you. We'll go in depth into each of these in later videos, but be aware that where they play will dictate what move to use. So now the pass is coming to you. You'll need to do a simple step that most people neglect to use. It's called a release step, and it will get you moving toward the pass and also create a bit of separation from the defender.
Really what I want you to get out of that is you need to be have good position on the block, you need a release step, and you really need to be a target down low. So now quickly we're going to go over the drop step, spin move, and jump hook, and these are the ones that we're going to be doing in class today. If you look right here, these are the 3 moves. So this is a drop step, and as you can see, when you catch the ball, basically you can see the defender is high on you, so you're going to take this step and you're just going to kind of move backwards and go towards the hoop. So let's play this video. Notice how he just turns and goes up strong towards the basket. All you're going to do with this move basically is move 180 degrees. So when you catch it, the pivot foot will be your inside foot, and you're just going to move 180 degrees really quickly. So if we play this through, it's going to look something just like that. Simple 180-degree move. And the last, so as we watch this guy shoot, he's going to do a nice little swing step, and both hands are going to be on the ball for strong power. And as he goes up, one hand's going to come off with the ball, and he's just going to follow through towards the hoop. So let's go ahead and watch him. As you can see, turns towards the hoop, shoulders towards the hoop, both hands are on the ball, and of course he's going to follow through. So just remember, good position on the block, release step, and be a target for low post moves. And we'll work on all three of these in class.